Hey, it's Maggie. So we're inside the garage on a stifling hot Florida day because it is lightning and thundering out. If it stops lightning and thundering, I'll pop the door open so I can have some air to breathe. Right now, if you hear humming in the background, it's the fan. I'm trying to blow on me, my poor pitiful fan. Also, the dryer is running. So it's got that sauna effect. Okay, so my challenge today, because as you've been watching the videos in my garage, it's exploding. I need to play Tetris again in this garage, rearrange everything, and try to make it fit. So my first thought was I would get some metal shelving and put one of those metal shelving units up. We had plastic ones that were in this garage when we bought the house, but here's the thing. In Florida, plastic shelving in your garage doesn't work well because of the heat. Everything warps and it just doesn't work well. So I am going to try to assemble this. I don't have the camera pointed at it so you can't see it, but I took some pictures. So if I do this right, then right about now, I'm going to put some pictures up so that you can see them. So it's a 5-shelf storage unit. It's Project Source brand, which I think is the Lowe's brand. I got the heavy duty one. So that was the wifey who came home. So when she popped open the garage door, I realized it's not raining that heavy anymore. So I'm leaving it open so we have some air and some more light. And I'm gonna go back to trying to take this out of the box. And don't worry, I'm not gonna, I guess it's not called tape anymore, is it? I don't know what it's called now. Record, I guess. Record me putting this whole thing together. I'm not going to go back and forth and keep shutting it off, and I'll edit chunks out to shorten the time. Okay, box is open. Okay. Okay. I'm hoping this little mic will make it so you don't hear all the background noise. It's supposed to help. We'll see if it does. Because someone's using, it sounds like a tile saw or something in the background. We've created these easy to follow instructions to ensure you spend your time enjoying the project instead of putting it together. Oh, and they have a 1-800 number. Well, it's actually 1-866 if I get completely confused. Yes, and it says Parts Plus at Lowe's. So this is a Lowe's product. I'm going to be skipping forward this a lot because I am already confused. Okay. I need to find the posts. That's CC. Oops. I am confused. Okay. Oh. What's in box number 1? Oy vey. Okay, so these are the short ones. So this box must be the long ones. Okay, so it doesn't give us instructions for this, but I'm thinking that's what it is. Okay, so on here, when you look at the little shelf thingy, this side's got an angle, this side's flat, and this, I'm guessing, is where the shelf is going to sit on. So I'm guessing this side needs to be up. Like this. See what I mean? Oh, see what I mean? Like here and here. So, and we're going to put this on the very bottom. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to beat it down with a hammer. So, editor self, cut this next part out because no one's going to want to listen to me banging on metal because it's probably going to be atrocious sounding. Okay? Got it? So, cut it. Okay, editor self, pay attention. Okay? Because I'm going to try it this way, and if it works, I'll put this in. Okay, so I'm going to try assembling it this corner by itself because as I'm banging it, it's just falling over. It's just being stupid. So I'm going to try it this way. Okay, so now we're going to mute the sound so that you don't hear me banging the hammer. So editor me, mute the sound. Okay. Okay, so that seemed to have worked, maybe. So now we're going to combine the two. Ta-da! Step 1, done. Attach middle shelf installation tool to the top of the lower posts. I only have 2 of these, so there must be 2 more in that box. Okay. Okay, that's there, but okay, well, it's not doing anything else but that, so it's going to have to be that way. Okay, it's telling me now that I need to push this in. Okay, we did it. We got one done. I wonder if I can get you closer so you can see how stupid this thing is. Okay, so It's like that. And then you're supposed to be able to push this in. Okay. Well, I don't know about that, but we'll see. Okay, now I'm supposed to do 2 more, but I have to find the other 2. So, hold on. We did that. Okay, so now we're supposed to be able to attach these. You know what? We're going to have to take a brief intermission, because I'm going to have to put this down because it's now up higher than the ceiling. So hold that thought. Okay, can you see me okay? Okay, so it's going to go, yeah. So you like that, that, that. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. I'm doing it the back row first and then the sides because I think it's going to be easier for me to line everything up at the end if I'm just going like this. You know what I'm saying? I know you would. You get me. You may not get me, but worst case scenario, you feel pity for me. Okay. Editor me is going to be like, am I supposed to save all this crap that she's talking? Because it's really not quite useful. It's like, no. Fortunately, and I'd like to blame it on my line of work, but I think I was this way before my line of work. I just talk to myself. That way I know there's always somebody listening. Now it says we can remove this. I say we can. Can we? Okay, those are off. Okay, so really? This is how small my garage is. I can't get to the other side. Okay. Okay, fan, you're going to have to go there. My fan doesn't have that plastic cover on it. That's why it's out here, not in the house. So I have to be a little bit careful because I've caught my fingers in it before. Okay. That's it. Next, shelves. Install 4 post caps at top of unit. Okay, I did that. Oh no, I haven't done that up there yet. Okay. Oh, I put 4 at the bottom too. I didn't have to do that. Oops. They're there. Okay. Should just sit on there, right? Ta-da. Oh, there's a saran wrap at the bottom too. Oh, guess what? Okay, you're going to have to finagle these shelves so that you know. Well, I do like how they look though. Okay, it's done. I still got to move it into place, but overall, it wasn't hard. A grandma of a certain age can do it. You really don't need that many tools. You do need a rubber mallet. You're gonna need this and a sharp utility knife to open up all the boxes and a lot of patience. It wasn't physically hard, but it was mentally trying or patience trying because, at least in my mind, maybe because I'm not mechanical originally and I'm learning this, is I had to reread over the directions and look through everything and try to figure out in my head before I did it in real life. But yeah, so my next project is I'm going to pull everything out of the corner where I'm going to put this so that I can put this in the corner, and then everything I pulled out is going to go on here. So, but that's probably going to be another day because it's still raining outside and I'm going to have to pull little speed buggy here out to have the space to do it in. So thanks for watching. I promise I will edit this down so it's not going to be this whole like hour-long thing of me talking to myself. So thank you for watching. I'm Maggie. Subscribe, like, comment. What else am I supposed to tell you to do? Watch my other videos. But yeah, this is a good shelving unit. I got it at Lowe's. So far, I'm happy with it. When I go and redo that corner, I'll give you all an update on if it's really holding the weight or not that it says it does. So, thanks. Bye.